Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon Scrooge. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Ebenezer Scrooge, let's begin with the face. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a nice big smiley face shape like this. And that's going to be the face. Right across here, I'm going to make a line that comes all the way across, and that's going to be where his hat is. Now, starting here, I'm going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and make a circle right here. I'll leave some space, and then I'll make another circle right over here for the eyes. Then I'm going to make a black dot inside each one for the pupils. Right here, I'm going to make a partial circle for the nose. And then right here, inside the eyes, I'm going to make a little circle here. And then I'm going to make another little circle right here. Then I'm going to bring this up and then down over here. And those are going to be his glasses. Now, I'm going to make a little line underneath each eye, just for like a wrinkle. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then over, with a little line right here. We're going to give him some angry eyebrows. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. And then same thing here. We're going to come down and then back up. And then we'll draw two little lines right here for some more wrinkles. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and in, down and in, down and in. And then same thing here, down and in, down and in, down and in. Next, for the hat, I'm going to start right about here. I'm going to draw a nice big oval shape that's going to come around, and it's going to come back to here. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around and come down. For the top of the hat, we're going to go up. I'm going to come over and down. And I'll just make a little line across here. Next, let's begin with the scarf. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go down. I'm going to curve it over and up. Then I'm going to bring this line down, over, and then up again for the tail of the scarf. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and then right here I'll make another long line that comes down. Then I'm going to draw this line down and over. You can see I went a little farther down. And because of the scarf right here, we're just going to go down here and then bring it up to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then in, out, and then all the way down. This one, we're just going to go to here. We'll come in, we'll go out, and then we'll come all the way down. Next, I'm going to make a line across here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and over. And then one here, it's going to go down and over. We'll make two lines that come up and a little line across. We'll make another line across here and two lines down for the belt. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go around to here. Same thing here. We're going to come down and go around and up. Make a line across and another line across. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in for the arm, and then another line right here for the hand. And then out here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. We're going to go over, and I'm going to go up and then in. We'll make a little bump here for a thumb, and then a little bump out here for the hand. We'll make a little circle shape, and then a little line's going to come down and then up, and then a line here. Then the last thing on the scarf, I'm just going to add some little lines on here. And then we'll add some lines going this way too. And there you go. There is your drawing of Ebenezer Scrooge. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.